Welcome to today's Granada Houses video. We're here in the province of Granada in Andalusia to show you a village house for reform. This house is on the edge of the village and it's approximately 30 minutes from the city of Granada. As we go in, you see there's a nice hallway with some original features. So you've got some original doors from when the house was built. And there's two rooms, one off either side. This is a very common thing in these village houses, that you have a room straight off the hall and then another one that's the same, like a mirror of the first. Then as we go through this door, we have a decent sized sitting room with stairs that go up and a kitchen. I'm going to go upstairs first and show you that before we go outside. There's quite a lot of little spaces outside that you could do interesting things with. So as you can see, original tiles, very 60s style door. And at the top here, we're going to go to the left first. So there's one large room. This room is at street side of the property. And then if we go through here, you can see that this is still in its original form and probably would be a drying room, not just for clothes, but also for sausages and meats and things like that. And then there's another street side room. It's a reasonable double, and here you could very easily put in a wardrobe. And then just opposite this room, I think would be a good place for a bathroom, we have another room that would have been used for drying sausages and things. Now the wood beams all appear to be in good condition, but you would have to completely renew the roof. Okay, let's go back downstairs. This house does have a garage, but it isn't accessible from inside the property. So here we have the kitchen. As you can see at the moment, it's very basic, but that will be easy to change. Nice wood beam ceilings and a fireplace. And the chimney for this runs through the house and into one of the rooms that I showed you upstairs, which would make a good bathroom. As is very traditional with these houses, the bathroom is actually outside in the patio. So here we have part of the patio, and the bathroom, as you can see, definitely needs reform, is there, but there would be a place to put it from the inside. I'm going to go up first and show you the terrace that has views of the Sierra Nevada and the surrounding countryside. So as we go across to this end of the terrace, you can see nice countryside views, and off into the distance, the Sierra Nevada. Now just over here, you can see there's another staircase with a little room above. That probably would have been used for chickens, maybe. Okay, let's go back down so I can show you that side of the property. At the bottom of that staircase, just to the side, there's a little space underneath, and then through here is a tiny summer kitchen, I would guess. And you can see that there's work to be done in this house, but I think you could make something really quite special here. It has a really very nice feel, this house. Little kind of stable type thing. Those are the stairs that we saw from the other side, and it goes up into this little room here. Great for storage. This bit's quite low as we go through, but it opens up once we go through this doorway, and then it becomes full height. And around the corner is another large room. So that's it for this part of the property. I'm not sure if we can get into the garage, but I'm going to do my best for you. Of course, as it's a village house, there's mains water and electricity and sewage. That would be perfectly normal. But you will have to do a fair amount of work to make this into a livable home. But everything in the village is walking distance. There's plenty of parking. There's lots of beautiful walks around here. Wherever you go, you're into the countryside. So it's a perfect place for somebody who likes cycling or walking, or if you have a dog and you want to take the dog out. It's got a lot of potential, as we say in the trade. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please do follow us on our channel. Hit the notification bell to be informed of all our upcoming videos. And we look forward to showing you around possibly your new house in Spain. So thank you for watching.